Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Google Slides Help. So if you're working on Google Slides and you've seen something in the menus, or maybe you heard a colleague talk about something and you're not really sure you understand what it means or how to do it, you can go to Help, click on Help, and then a little window will pop up. And here are some popular help resources, but if you're searching for something specific, let's say you want to look up how to animate things, add or change animations and transitions. So you can click on that, and then all these little helpful tips will show up. Or you can ask the help community if it's a really far out type of question, or you can even click on the link to send feedback. All different ways that you can find out information you may be interested in. Very quick, easy to access.